All right, guys, bright, sunny out here, and jump straight into it today with this one. And man, just build on what you got already. So, reason why I'm making this video, cause I've been working with a GoPro for the last couple years. I built a channel on GoPro 8. I went bought a GoPro 11 back this summer, and the GoPro 11, I was having problems with it for the longest. And when I thought about it, I'm like, I really didn't even need this GoPro 11. I could have kept working with my GoPro 8. So I had to go through a bunch of stuff. I sent it back to GoPro. You only get so much on YouTube, and nobody on YouTube had a video about this GoPro 11 and how to get your footage off the right way. So when I was trying to get my footage off with it, man, I was doing it. I had to get an SD card reader, basically. So once I got an SD card reader, I was able to pull the footage off, finally. And it also requires you to use a certain type of memory card to be able to use this GoPro. So, but all that to say this, I could have just kept the GoPro 8. I could have just built on what I already had still. And so that's basically what this is about. Build on what you got already. Quit trying to think about what you don't got and what you think you need, and just build on what you got. So whatever equipment you got right now, whatever customers you got right now, maybe look at it like, well, let me take these customers I got right now in this neighborhood and try to add 2 or 3 more in this neighborhood, and also try to add 2 or 3 more in each neighborhood that I already got. So say if you just got 20 customers already, 20 times double that would equal you to 40 customers. 20 times triple that would get you to 60 customers. And just build on what you got. And once you start getting some more money, then you can go buy you some equipment and add on to it. But use what you got right now to get you to the next level. Quit thinking about what you don't have. Take care of what you got right now that's been getting you there, and make the most out of it until you can get to that next level to buy you some new stuff. Just build on what you got right now, guys. If you got a decent truck, no payment, don't think about going to get another payment right now, unless you can just afford it. But why not take your other truck, get everything fine-tuned on it, take it to the shop, make sure that thing is running A1, so you can get through a couple more years and stack some money. So instead of getting a truck with a payment, you could probably wait a couple more years and actually buy you a truck cash that you was looking for. So little things like that, just building on what you got. I mean, like YouTube and stuff, you don't really need a GoPro, a special camera, or nothing like that to be a YouTuber. You can actually use your cell phone. Take your cell phone, and you can make quality videos with your cell phone. It's all about how creative you get, what type of topics you come with, stuff like that, man. You just build on what you got so far. You know what I'm saying? Because if you get caught up thinking about what you need, well, what you want, and you actually already got what you need, you may end up setting yourself back, or you maybe end up overthinking. Trying to back up real quick, guys. You may end up overthinking, or you may end up thinking you need some stuff that you don't need, actually. And you could have just built on what you had, saved some more money, get better at what you got, actually learn how to master everything that you got. Then you can move on. Man, I know guys out here right now, man, he's been riding the same truck, same van, using them to work out of for the longest. And all he does is, when he gets a chance, he goes buys new equipment. But he's got that van and he's got that truck. Both of them paid off, and he uses those to, do a lot of, been doing a lot of his work. Now, he's been in business maybe 20 years. And he's just now starting to think about, man, I think I'm gonna go buy me a nice truck. But yeah, he wants to buy a nice truck now, but like I say, he's been in business almost 20 years riding the same truck in the same van. And it's been doing the same thing, getting him to where he needs to go, hauling and pulling like he needs it to pull. And he's been able to save money, build him some credit, and it's just put him in a great position, man. And he learned from somebody who taught him. So focus on what works for you, but don't get in the way of yourself. Focus on what works for you, but don't get in the way of yourself. Like I say, don't get to thinking you need a bunch of stuff that you really don't need. Work with what you got. If you got a bunch of push mowing yards, you're able to take your mower out, put it in the trunk, and you can get out there and do 20 yards a day, or let's say 10 yards a day. But you're profitable. And another guy's got this big 60-inch, 61-inch. He's got the big, huge mower, but he's not profitable. He's not making a bunch of money. When he's putting that truck and trailer on, it's pulling so much that he can't pay the gas every day. It's not making sense for him. So just build on what you got, guys. If you got the customers already, a nice clientele base, think about taking everybody up in the price $5 on them. You know, like I say, if you got customers already in one neighborhood, try to get you 2 or 3 more customers in the neighborhood. If you got a truck right now that's getting you where it's getting you where you're going to, just get your truck running A1. You ain't gotta buy a new truck right now. You know what I'm saying? So your iPhone's been getting you doing all your footage on your Instagram and your YouTube and making your content. You don't need to buy another camera. Keep making more content with your iPhone. You know what I'm saying? So build on what you got, man. Don't be thinking that you need everything that everybody else got, because you see a lot of stuff that other people got, and you need to ask yourself, do I want to pay that bill behind it? Because, you know, we see people with the big trucks, big trailers, big mowers, all that. Well, you don't even know if this guy's making a payment on this stuff or not. So, guy could have all this stuff, and he might got a mortgage. He might got $1,000 in payments he's making. He still got insurance, just all type of stuff. So build on what you got, man. Get good at what you got. Get great at what you got. Make the most out of what you got. And just take 2025, man, and just build and get better. Even yourself. You know, you might be at a place you like, how can I get to this next level? Just build on it. Build on what you already got. The stuff you're lacking, get educated on. You know what I'm saying? And the best way to change is just respond different to all circumstances. So that's the video I got for you today. Build on what you got. I know I hadn't dropped a whole lot of videos this year, man. I'm back on it. Heavy. Like I say, I got a new GoPro. Just been busy this year, trying to find a way to record and still, you know, when I got new properties and stuff, it's funny to record on. So trying to find a way to record and still get the content out on these new properties. But I think I got a little secret sauce on the way to be bulletproof even when it comes to recording. So I'll holler at you guys on the next one, man. Boneyard Lawn Service. Subscribe to the channel if you ain't subscribed. Talk to you soon.